are back with another makeup organization video. Do like my smaller like pigments and glitters and single eyeshadows. So I want to try to fit everything in this drawer, and I'm going to declutter some. Okay, so I don't know. I'm going to see how I'm going to like this here layout, because I don't know, because I actually really want to just have everything kind of scattered out, but you know what I mean? I kind of want that look, but we're going to try to fit everything up here. Okay, I have these Absolute New York single eyeshadows. Love these. These are really nice. I think these are like only $1. Can't remember what brand this reminds me of, but we're going to keep all of these. I'm keeping all of these Sistar eyeshadows. These are really good as well. I have some backups. So I'm keeping all of these. These are $1 at the beauty supply store. I know I'm going to keep my Dose of Colors. So I'm going to keep those. Definitely going to keep this Milani. This is one of my favorite duo eyeshadows. This was so good. Keep these two because these are from the what is that thing called? Oh my god, this collection, the Disney Haunted Mansion. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna keep this one. These two. This one is Tassel. I keep Tassel. That's pretty. Let's see. This is Ladybird. I keep Ladybird. I actually need to use either one or the other, but I keep. Oh my god! See, I like these kind of colors, but I don't need more than one. I don't need. I'm gonna declutter that. This for sure I'm gonna keep because I love blue, so I'm gonna keep that. Keep this one. MAC. I'm gonna keep all of my MAC. This is Espresso Best of Me. This one is soft brown. Y'all, this is old. This should have been had a dent in it. I had this since probably 2000 something. This is a highlighter. I don't know why this is in here. This is Urban Decay. I'm gonna keep this one. This one is in the color. I don't like the name. I do not like the name. It's called, oh, but baby, look at that. The color is called Sin. I don't like that. But the color, you can't deny that. That's a cute color. We're gonna use that, and we ain't gonna buy that again. We ain't gonna buy that again. This was sent to me, a brand. Let me pick out. I have more of these. They let me pick out some eyeshadows. Look at that. Ooh. Oh yeah. This kind of remind me of this. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's like a ultra light blue kind of color. Okay, here are those Bobbi Brown eyeshadows I was referring to that was kind of reminding me of these for a second. The Absolute New York. Baby, is that a dupe? Oh, yeah, almost. But these are the Bobbi Brown eyeshadows. This is in the color Bone. I'm finna, ooh, not me. I'm finna start using this. Oh, this is a good color. I mean, you can't see what it, I have a vision. I'm pretty sure I found these at like Ross or something. Not Ross, but Marshall's. Other shades from that. I have a few makeup products from that. Oh, baby. Hello, Christmas. Keeping that. What's this? Let's do this green. Let's do this duochrome green color. Look at that. It's like a bronzy duochrome, but I don't think I like that. I'm not going to use that, so we're going to get rid of that. And I have these. Oh, not it. Child, it broke and it got glass in it. Baby, I'm not finna use that. We're gonna leave that glass right there. Got one of these, the Infallible Paints Metallic. I don't know if they still sell these in the store. I doubt it. But these are so good. Look at that. Dang, I hate that one broke. Oh, keeping these Beauty Creations eyeshadows. Mora, definitely gonna keep these. I like Mora. We swatch this Wet n Wild. Y'all, go to Target or Walmart. Look at that. Y'all. Pure gold. Pure gold, and it is green. Look at that. Oh my god. Wet n Wild did their big one with that. It's still on my damn finger. Artist Couture. This is in the color Diamond Bronze. This is really good. I'm gonna keep that. I have like these ColourPop. Let me go. I don't even reach for this, but every time I swatch it, I just be amazed. I can't even get my damn finger in here. See, I can't get rid of that. Like, I just, the camera's not doing it justice. Like, I'm telling you, I can't get rid of that. So I'm gonna keep that, and it's still going strong. It is Cream Shadow. This one is Agave Bloom. See, these are good. Look at that. Then I have these Elf No Budge Cream eyeshadows. I'm keeping all of these. I think those are all the colors I have. I think, oh, I got one more. I knew I had purple. I got these pigments from Beauty Creations. I wanted to do a bright orange summer look, but I guess I'm going to be doing a bright orange pumpkin Halloween look. I'm using that, okay? So these came in like a whole pack. So yeah, we're gonna put those to use. Organize this a little bit better than what we got going on. I'm not like sliding around with it. I know I can buy like some people sliding around. I can like cut some on British. I can get some burgers around with it, but I don't have it right now, so this is what I do it. I'm just gonna put my glitters right here. I mean, where else am I gonna put them? So I'm put my glitters right here. I have Elf. This is from a brand called Dark and Glam Beauty. Do y'all remember this? This old as hell. This MAC pigment in the color tan. Y'all, I'm never getting rid of this. Like, oh, and this pigment from MAC, this one is in the color Copper Sparkled. Ugh, I'm never getting rid of those. All right, let's see what I'm getting rid of. Anything in this packaging. This is dry as hell. Pretty sure I can use something for that. This is the NYX color. I think I know I didn't buy this. This must have been free. Am I gonna use that? Even though I like green. Liquid eyeshadow. I'm not gonna use that. This is Molten Midnight from Stila. Sheila. Ooh, now not it. Girl, done fell off. I was just about to say I'm not gonna, and I'm broke. I don't feel like fixing it. It's going bye-bye. And then I don't use it, so it's going bye-bye. Keep kitten. We gonna keep kitten, okay? We gonna keep kitten, girl. Juvia's Place. I just got this not too long ago, maybe a few months ago. Look at that. Look at that. All over the eye. You know I'm whipping that out for fall. You know. Baby, that's like a deep brown reddish color. Yeah, we keeping that. Another Juvia's Place we keeping. These are liquid eyeshadows, by the way. Oh yeah, that's way better than that NYX. So we're keeping that. Let me figure out what I'm going to put. How should I do this? Final results. The single eyeshadows, some more single eyeshadows, pigments and glitters, water liners. Then here are my liquid eyeshadows and bases and stuff like that. So they're gonna have to transfer into the next drawer, which I don't like that idea because I really wanted everything together. It is what it is. Just gotta maneuver. Decluttering, well, not this, but decluttering that right there. By the way, if you all miss me organizing this drawer, I will leave that video link down below. But so far so good, right? This is, I did a beauty supply store, organizing my beauty supply store eyeshadow palettes or makeup or whatever, and then this time we're doing this over here. So I will leave this video link down below. You watch this video after you get done watching this one. I don't care what you do, you just watch both. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this up here. And yeah, so if you all are new here, make sure you guys comment down below and subscribe. If you have any of these products that I've shown you all, please let me know. Please let me know how you like it. And I will see you guys in another video. And subscribe if you love makeup.